Alright, I'm back. YouTubers dimly got her running. Well, like you did. First, 1999. That's sorry, Expedition, sorry. 4.0 liters. Very like you did. Straight about right there. Air, cap and all that right there. Cruise turn to let her go. In case you don't know, right here is your other little. That's your kill switch, basically. But can't think of the name. It's been a long day, so I apologize for that one. But also, too, this damn rubber thing. All it is a piece of rubber holding that damn valve on. It's insanely crazy. But it came off, family. Here we go, though. I'm gonna zip it all back up, wrap her up. But sounds good. Pain in the ass, that's for sure, but made it happen. So that's how it goes sometimes. You're a quitter. Sounds good though. 4 to 4, nothing 4.0.